Technology integration can be stressful for everyone. Few teachers are experts, but we don't have to be. Tech is a tool. It's never the end game. The role of technology is to deepen learning, and the outcomes of using tech should always be related to academics. Resilience begins when we make a conscious decision to bring technology into our classrooms. And in doing so, we become empowered to try new things, learn and grow when they don't go to plan. The sheer amount of tech available to teachers can be overwhelming, but we build resilience in our use of tech in the classroom by starting small and gradually expanding our knowledge base. Choose to learn one tool at a time, whether that's a tablet, an app, a website, or a camera. We can find answers about how to use it on our own. Remember, a simple Google search can provide the answers to most tech questions, or for every device available, there will be at least 17 YouTube tutorials explaining how to use it. So before using tech in the classroom, test, test, test. Assess how easy it is to use, what can go wrong, and how to adapt it if it does, and think about how effective it could be as a learning tool. Then we can decide if we want to use it again or try a different tool instead.
So my advice for testing technology is to do it beforehand and multiple times, because you do it the night before it might work and the day of it doesn't work. Test as many times as possible. For example, we're using a Bridget teacher collaboration tool, which allows teachers to video in with each other in their classrooms. It worked perfectly the day before, and in the morning it wasn't working. And all of a sudden it just happened to start working, and we were able to go on with the lesson. But you know what? Technology fails. So make sure that you have something else just in case.
Make use of the expertise that already exists within our classrooms. Our students have grown up in a digital world. They're adapted all sorts of tech. So accept that they might know more than us about how tech tools work. Create an in-house tech crew, a roving tablet expert who can assist other students in real time, a video production assistant who has shot home videos, an app jockey who's rarely off their phone, and task them with supporting other students and us in working together through tech issues.
Students are really savvy when it comes to the internet. And one of my students turned me on to a website called canva.com that makes posters. Because I used to have them draw a poster of an election campaign. One of my kids said, "Hey, miss, there's a product on the internet called Canva. Why don't we do it on that?" And I said, "Hey, you know what? Let me look at it, and then I'll tell you." I did. I went on. I created 2 posters. I said, "Ooh, what a neat tool." I asked them, because if I have a problem, they sometimes know what's going on.
Declaring ourselves as non-techie limits our willingness and confidence to use technology as a powerful tool for learning. But we can build resilience in our personal use of tech by staying up to date with the tools at our disposal, mitigating against faults and failures, but accepting that they will happen, and learning from others inside and outside the classroom.